Hello everyone, welcome to Exam Dost, my dear friends. I'm back again with another job notification for all of you, and this time this notification is coming from Madhya Pradesh Metro Rail Corporation Limited, MPMRCL. Okay, so this is the recruitment notification for MP Metro 2023. Let me make a few things very clear first. This is inviting application for various posts for operation and maintenance, and it is on contractual basis. Okay, it is on contractual basis. So if you are looking for some immediate kind of a job, if you are looking for a temporary kind of job, this notification is for you. But if you are looking for a permanent job and you can wait till you find a suitable job, then this notification is not for you. I do cover these contractual notification only for those students who are in dire need of a job, who need a job immediately to support their expenses. See, the application opening date is 31st of July and the closing date is 31st of August. The interesting post is the supervisor operation. 26 vacancies are there. Pay scale is from 33,000 to 1 lakh. You need a bachelor degree or diploma in any engineering or BSc honors in physics, chemistry, maths or BSc physics, chemistry, maths from a government recognized university. Okay, now other vacancies that they have listed, that is only for diploma holders, like supervisor signaling 3 years diploma, maintainer signaling again matriculation plus 2 years ITI, supervisor traction 3-year diploma. Okay, then maintainer traction again matriculation plus 2 years ITI, then supervisor track 3 years diploma, maintainer track matriculation plus 2 years ITI, supervisor work diploma, maintainer work matriculation plus ITI, store assistant. This also can be done through a bachelor degree. So these two vacancies and the initial 26 vacancies are available for bachelor degree holder. Then HR assistant, graduate in any discipline. It can be BSc, BCom, BTech, BE. That is for HR. Account assistant, 2 vacancies for BCom and MCom. Now total posts are 88. Is that clear? Important instruction. Candidates appearing or awaiting for results on closing date of application are not eligible to apply. That is, if you have completed your final year and your results are out by the time of 31st August, it is fine. If you have completed final year but the results are not yet out by 31st August, you are not eligible to apply. If you are in third year, you will be completing your graduation in 2024. You are not eligible to apply. As simple as that. Okay. Where diploma is essential qualification for post as mentioned, candidates holding degree in discipline are also eligible to apply. That is, the vacancies where I told diploma is necessary, there even BE, BTech can apply. Okay, this point is very important. Please highlight this point, that if you have a degree in electrical, mechanical or any relevant discipline and they are asking for diploma, you are also eligible to apply. Diploma or degree will not be considered as higher qualification in place of ITI, where ITI is mentioned as essential qualification. Wherever they have mentioned ITI, there neither the diploma nor the degree will work. But for the post where they are asking for diploma, their degree will also work. So candidates should possess degree, diploma, ITI approved by UGC, AICTE, NCVT from a university or technical board incorporated as an act of central or state legislature. Age limit minimum 18 years, maximum 28 years on 1st of July. Age relaxation is as per the government norms for SC, ST 5 years, OBC 5 year, ex-servicemen 3 years, PWBD 10 year, and for women also 10 year. Okay. Basically, if you are eligible for age relaxation in more than one category, suppose you are under SC, ST, you are also a woman, so that they will not consider 15-year age relaxation, they will not add the relaxation in the two categories. They will consider maximum of the two, that is you will have a age relaxation of 10 years. Okay. Date of birth recorded in your matriculation certificate will be considered. Is that clear? This reservation criteria is given. You have to go through it. For if you are working in a government job, you need to have a NOC. Now, selection process is given. For supervisor operations, CBT is there, CBAT is there, document verification and medical test. There is no interview. Okay. For all other, there is no CBAT. There is only CBT. There is no CBAT. Okay. Now, when you are filling to the application form, you need to visit this website mpmetrorail.com, and you need not send any document, any forms, anything hard copy to their address. You just need to fill the application online and make sure that you fill in the correct details, because they will not allow you to change the detail later on. And make sure the email ID and the mobile number that you are using to fill the application, that remains active. Otherwise, they might communicate to you. You might not even get that message. That is your loss only. So online registration involves registration, filling the application, uploading the document, payment and submission. Remember this, first you have to make your account, then you have to fill the application form, then you have to upload the documents that they are asking. You must have a scanned copy of that. You have to submit the application form. You have to pay the fees. Okay. Now, let's see what else is given. Mobile number, email ID, that should be latest. Now, you must upload the following document: date of birth, class 10 certificate, educational qualification with percentage of marks, that is your degree mark sheet, caste certificate, discharge certificate for ex-servicemen, scanned photograph and signature. Okay. Now, examination will be held in MP only at Bhopal, Gwalior, Indore, Jabalpur, Ujjain. All the major cities they are covering. Now, you need to indicate the order of preference of 3 centers. That is, whichever is nearest to you will be given the highest priority. Whichever is farthest, you fill it at the lowest priority. Examination fees is 590 including GST for general and OBC. For SC, ST it is 295. Okay. Now, SC, ST for MP domicile only, they are reducing it to 295. Bank charges, if your bank is charging anything, that you have to pay over and above, and you have to pay fees online only. And if you are applying for more than one vacancy, beta, here you can apply for more than one vacancy. You have to fill all the forms separately. Okay. And for any 2 posts, it may happen that the exam coincides. Now, details of CBT. CBT will be conducted in 2-3 sessions in a single day or multiple day for 2 hours. Computer based test is for 2 hours. And it will contain MCQ type 120 question, indicative syllabus mentioned in this advertisement. Okay, standard will be generally in conformity with the educational standard prescribed for the post. And since they are asking 2 hours, 120 question, the questions will be very easy. The question will be in Hindi as well as in English. Wherever there is a conflict in the Hindi and the English question will be correct. Okay. Negative marking is 1/4, that is +1 minus 0.25. Qualifying marks are 40% for unreserved, 30% for SC, OBC, EWS and 25% for ST. If required, CBT can be of 2 stages. Basically, if they get a large number of applications, they can conduct 2 computer-based tests. Okay. And if you have same marks, the candidate with the older date of birth, the candidate who is having higher age will be having higher priority. Now, CBAT computer-based aptitude test, you need to get a minimum of 42 marks in each of the test batteries to qualify. That is only for supervisor operation. CBAT, you need 42 marks in each of the test battery. This is applicable for all candidates irrespective of their community. This is uniform. You need to qualify in each test of CBAT for considering for the post. They will have the question and answer in English and Hindi. There is no negative marking in CBAT. Final merit list will be basis of among the candidate weightage in CBAT, 70% weightage will be given to your computer based test, that the first one, 30% weightage for the second test, that is CBAT. Now you can visit this website mpmetrorail.com. Now instruction, basically you can download your admit card from their website. Admit card are provisional. In case ineligible candidate has been issued an admit card and they have written the examination, they will not be considered. Even though you are ineligible, they might issue an admit card, but you don't hold the right to tell them that you issued me an admit card, you should consider me for the job. If you are ineligible, irrespective of whether you got the admit card or not, they will not consider you for the job. You must have a e-admit card. Your photo ID you must carry in the examination. Okay. You must reach the examination center 1.5 hour before. Calculator, mobile phone, Bluetooth, headphone, earplug, laptop, iPad, digital diary, digital watch, book, notes, metallic wear, bangle, belt, bracelet, electronic remote car, keys or any communication devices are not allowed inside the examination hall and they can disqualify you. For document verification, when they will call you for document verification, they will call you according to your merit, according to the number of vacancies. You have to carry your original documents as well as the Xerox with a self-attested copy. Okay. Now, medical test instruction they have also given. You can go through that. Is that clear? You can go through the details of these all things that they have given and just visit their website once, beta, for more details so that you can get to know the details of the test syllabus. There are 2 stages for supervisor operations, CBT and CBAT. CBAT weightage is 30%, CBT weightage is 70%. So, but these are contractual jobs as I told you. So make sure if you are some candidate who is looking for a job immediately in order to support your family, then this notification is for you. But if you are looking for a long-term commitment and you can wait, you have that much of financial support that you can wait, then this notification is not suitable for you. Now, beta, if you are preparing for GATE 24 or GATE 25, we have an exciting news for you. All our batches are running at 20% price drop, but that is only applicable till 27th of July midnight. So make sure that you join before it only, okay? Because otherwise you will have to pay the full fees. Also on 27th of July, we are starting electrical machine standalone course that is also available on our app and website. There you can get 20% discount if you use the code EM20. Test series also we are running for GATE 2024. There you can get a 10% discount if you use the code Ankit ESE. So make sure you check our app and website for all the batches, all the offers. For batches, you need not apply any discount code. But in case you have any queries, make sure that you WhatsApp on our WhatsApp number given in the below 70890475561. Okay. So thank you everyone. All the best. If you have any query about this notification, please write that in the comment section. And if you have any other query, message to us on our WhatsApp number. Thank you.